Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your chat background on WeChat. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app on your device. In the chat section, find and open the chat whose background you want to change. Now, tap on the three dots icon from the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on the background option. Here you have the three options. Choose a wallpaper, choose from photos and take photo. Select the option that suits you the best. Now, if you have chosen choose a wallpaper option, browse through the available wallpapers and select the one you like. If you have chosen choose from photos option, navigate through your photo library and pick the background you want. And if you have chosen take photo option, simply click on new photo to use as your background. Finally, after selecting your desired background, tap on the done button at the top right corner of your screen to save the changes. And that's it. This is how you can change your chat background on WeChat. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.